it's your girl Gaonou here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gaonou. I make fashion, lifestyle, and travel videos. And today is Monday, October 7th. I'm starting off the work week in my life vlog in my room. I literally just got back from the cafe. I'm sure you saw some clips like earlier, or I may like insert some clips here. But yeah, I started off the work week by going to a cafe to kind of get like out of my room and kind of like motivate myself to kickstart like the week on the right foot, because if I stay home too much I kind of get very like unmotivated and everything. So did that and just got done eating lunch. Another reason why I came home making lunch instead of buying lunch. And now I'm taking a break because your girl is really caffeinated right now and I need to kind of chill for a bit before I go back into work mode. These are currently my favorite snacks and they're healthy as well, which is amazing. Fit Joy is like one of my favorite brands when it comes to healthy snacks, so definitely check out these puffs, especially the honey sriracha. This flavor is so delicious. Time to catch up on some school readings. Good morning. It is Tuesday, October 8th, I think, and I am done getting ready for the day. Just wearing some comfy clothes because I'm gonna work out in a little bit. I literally just got done eating breakfast, so I'm like out of breath because I have a full stomach and I was like running up and down the stairs to like get ready for the day. And my little brother's over there and I need to like watch him since my mom went to the store. Today's gonna be a very, I would say busy, but also chill day, because I'm gonna work like a little bit today, but most of my time is gonna be dedicated to catching up on some readings for grad school. And now I need some water because I'm literally running out of breath. Paul, you wanna say hi? Oh my god, look at that ice cream. What does it taste like? Vanilla. Vanilla? You're so cute! Also, how cute is this setup? My mom and my sister, they went shopping yesterday. They got this really cute tea set, this really awesome like bowl that you can put fruits on, and these really cute coasters. Much better. I was feeling very dehydrated, especially with like the Chinese food I ate. It was very salty, very greasy, so water was much needed. Look at my cute little munchkin. You are so cute. I love you so much. I just got a package from Mejuri and I thought I would do a mini unboxing for you. So they sent over one of their earrings and this is so gorgeous. I love the gold. So their hoops, they're so cute. Look at this detail. I don't own anything like this, so I'm excited to style it. Hello, so I have just been in my room doing some homework and getting some stuff done, answering emails, homework, getting some content out for my job and also for like my personal account. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are. I'll have everything linked down below. Today has just been a very work-filled day, but also like very boring at the same time. I'm just finishing up on some homework and then my mom is making dinner, so I'm excited for that. She is baking some pork chops or like something like that. It sounds so delicious. And I also saw some asparagus baking as well, so really excited for a semi like healthy dinner. I think I might just call it a night around 7 or 8 with like work and school work, and then just watch some Hulu or Amazon Prime. I really want to share with you my favorite TV show right now and I'm sure you're gonna love it as well. Also, I wanted to share with you my new favorite perfume from Skylar. If you didn't know, I'm doing a partnership with them for this year where they send me a travel size perfume every month, and for this month I got Fall Cashmere and it smells so good. It is so perfect for fall. Like if fall were to smell like something, it would definitely be this perfume. And it comes in like this really cute packaging, part of their scent club. So if you're interested, I'll definitely have everything linked down below. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so pretty. I love how each packaging has like a theme. Here is the one for like 2 months ago. It was called Love in Paradise and it was like a very like fruity one. So they describe it as spice, creamy, and luscious, which is totally what it is. And then on the side, it just has more information, and also each perfume comes with like a little story, which I think it's so cute. This is what the perfume looks like. perfect to just throw in your bag. And there's more information in the bag. I love how it's clean, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. So for someone who's like me who has sensitive skin, this works so well. This is so random, but I wanted to show you this as well. So I got these baby pink grateful cards from Walmart. I think there's like about 12. Yep, there's 12 in a pack. And I just thought these were so cute because one, they're like my aesthetic, and two, there are a handful of people in my life right now that I am so grateful for with everything going on in my personal life. So I want to write each of them a grateful card. I love sentimental gifts like this, and I just think that it's something that they would really like. Hello, it is very late in the day on Wednesday, October 9th. I did not vlog at all today because one, I had a really bad headache and I just did not feel like vlogging, and two, I had so much work to do for my job, so I just wanted to focus on that and like get that going and get that done. And now I'm just in my room. I did some haul stuff for my Instagram and now my room is a mess. I also have a bunch of clothes in the bag that I need to like put away. I'm just like a hot mess this week. Right now, I'm finishing some work stuff and then I'm going to clean my room because this mess is really driving me crazy. I'm not like a neat freak, but if it's too messy, then I kind of like lose my mind because one, I can't like find anything, and two, like when I step everywhere, like I'm so afraid that I'm gonna break something. So I don't want to like live with that kind of mindset that I have to be like careful like wherever I go. I'm debating if I want to share with you what I got from ASOS. Probably not going to, even though the stuff are really cute. I am going to do a like fall outfits video, so I'm gonna showcase the pieces in there. Get excited for that. I know a couple weeks ago I said I was gonna upload it then, but things happened and I wasn't able to. I thought I'd be nice and show you one piece from my ASOS purchase. I got this full leather neutral top. I love the buttons and the sleeves are so me. It has like a little bit of puffiness, and then I am such a sucker for the square neckline. Like I just think it's so cute and feminine, and I did try this top on and it fits like a glove. I just love how it accentuates my body and it's so cute, and I think I'm gonna pair it with like some high-waisted bottoms. I also got myself some blue light glasses from MVMT. They were recommended by an influencer called Delaney Childs. I love her style and I trust her, so that's why I got these. I tried them on when they came in today and they fit really well and they're really good quality. I just don't know how I feel about the print. Like it goes with me, but it doesn't. So it's kind of like half-half. So I'm gonna wear for like a day and just see how it goes. If not, then I'm gonna like look for a girlier pair. Don't mind my basket of clothes and suitcase right here, but this is what they look like on. I thought I would show you. I mean, they're not bad. I love how it goes with my outfit, but I just don't know if it's like on brand for me because I'm like a very girly person. So it's like what I'm struggling with. Should I just go with like a more neutral pair that goes with everything, or should I stick with like more my style, like feminine, girly pink? Like it would go really well with like my girly outfits. Catching up on some YouTube videos because I just need something to do that doesn't involve work. Good morning. It is Thursday, October 9th, I believe, and just got done getting dressed for the day. I'll show you my outfit in a little bit. Today I'm not wearing any makeup because your girl's breaking out, and tomorrow I'm wearing like a full face of makeup because I have a bunch of projects that I need to shoot for. So I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to put on a bunch of makeup. So you'll see me looking all dolled up tomorrow, but today we're just gonna keep it chill, you know, just look cute with the clothes. But yeah, I wanted to show you this really cute pin that I got from Thread a couple months ago. It is so stinking cute. It really adds something to like the sweater that I'm wearing. The plan for today is that I am going to do a little bit of work for like about an hour or two, and then I'm gonna go run some errands. I've been cooped up at home for like 2 days, so I'm gonna head to the bank. I might go do some shopping if I feel like it. Just things outside the house, maybe grab some coffee, and then we'll see where the day takes us. So here's a look of today's outfit. It's like an all black ensemble combo with pearl and gold accents. So starting off with the top, I'm just wearing this plain black turtleneck sweater, threw on a heart pearled pin to kind of give it a girly touch, and then wear my favorite mom jeans from Bershka, and then my heeled loafers from ASOS. I wear these every single day, and then I just threw on this pearled hair clip to kind of keep my hair back. I have a lot of hair, so if I don't like clip it, then it's always like all over my face. Oh my gosh, I'm like losing my voice. But yeah, this is my outfit. I really like it. It's super chic. Finally getting out of the house to go run some errands. All bundled up for the cold weather. It's actually not that bad, but I feel like it might get colder later. Have on my favorite fuzzy pink beret. I got it from Target the other day, and it's like one of my favorite purchases from Target. I feel like I'm being a little extra today. A lot of people in the town that I live in, they don't really dress like this. So when I go in public, I do get a lot of stares, if I'm being honest. You know what? I just kind of think of it as like I'm a superstar and people just want to stare and they admire what I'm wearing. So I always try to like take it as like a positive thing. I'm heading off to the bank. I need to deposit a check. And what else do I need to do? Oh yeah, I need to go to the post office because I have a wedding gift that I forgot to send out a couple months ago, and I found it while cleaning my room. I thought I sent it out, but I guess I didn't, so I'm gonna do that today so that they get their gift. And then after that, I think I might just go back into my room and be all cooped up in there. I was actually thinking about going to the movie theater to go watch the movie Hustler, but my boyfriend kind of talked me out of it because he said that I should just go get some food and have my own like movie night in my room, which I would probably prefer more of. Finally home now. My errands literally took like 15 minutes, like easy peasy. Now I'm just at my desk getting some work done. I actually got an email from a brand saying that they want to work on a fun campaign. So I'm emailing them back and figuring some stuff out before I like confirm, saying that I want to be a part of the campaign. But it is something that I've never done before, but I've always wanted to do. It's gonna be very exciting, and it's just like a cool like opportunity that I feel like is going to really just grow my brand and just kind of allow me to kind of step on my comfort zone as well. I need to plan out for my photo shoot tomorrow. So tomorrow my sister is helping me shoot like about 5 outfits and also do some campaign shoots. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 campaigns that I need to shoot for. Have it all listed on my notebook. So I need to get that done and submit the content. It's just been a very chill day. Like I worked for 2 hours and then the rest of the day I just kind of like chilled and kind of like allowed my brain to kind of just not work because I'm always constantly thinking of things and working. And today was just nice to just kind of like not think about anything. Hello, it's been a while since I've talked to you. I've just been in my room doing a bunch of homework, and I also got done eating lunch like about an hour ago. My mom made like salmon and beans, and now I'm just back in my room getting some homework done. I have a lot of readings to do for this week, and this class that I'm taking is just really kicking my butt because it's not something that I know a lot about, and it's also very interesting, and there's a lot of details that goes into this class. So let me show you guys what I'm actually learning right now. So the class that I'm taking right now is all about SEO, which is basically search engine optimization, and that's basically a way to kind of like get your content to be like on the first page when people are searching for stuff. So this is the textbook that I'm reading, highlighted some important notes, and this is actually the Kindle app on my laptop. So usually what I do is that I would purchase the book from Amazon and then I would just download it to my Kindle, and this app is actually really cool. So right here is the flashcards tab. So basically you can create your own flashcards to quiz your knowledge and what you've learned, which I think is so cool. I have not used it yet, but I think that's a really cool concept. And then there's also this notebook tab right here where It is a compilation of everything I've highlighted throughout the entire book, which I think is so awesome. So I can just go back and study these notes so that I don't have to like read the entire book again. So if you're a student, I would definitely recommend downloading the Kindle and just like buying your book like as ebooks. For me, it just helps me so much and it saves a lot of time, especially if I need to search up like a specific word. I can just do that, you know, and it's such a time saver. Also, I don't think I've told you this, but I've got a new laptop. I bought the latest MacBook and I got the student discount, which saved me so much money. Good afternoon. It is Friday, October 11th. And as you can tell, I'm not wearing any makeup, which means I did not do a photo shoot today. I had everything planned out. I was gonna shoot 5 outfits. I was gonna shoot 5 campaigns that we're due next week, and that didn't work out because you know why? My time of the month came and I had the worst cramps this morning. So your girl just could not get out of bed and do anything. And then tomorrow I'm heading out to go see my boyfriend, so he's probably gonna help me with like the photo shoot and campaign and everything. I just have to like pack up everything, which is so annoying because I really don't want to bring all that stuff with me, but I really can't like control it. I can't do anything about it because it's my side hustle. I need to like get these campaigns done. And then later today, my sister and brother, it's their birthday, so we are going to order some dinner, celebrate with them, and it's gonna be a fun night. Oh, I also forgot to say, even though I said I'm not gonna go anywhere, I am gonna go to at least one place, which is the trampoline park. We have like a trampoline park in my city, so I'm gonna take my little brothers there. I think I should be fine, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's only like, what time is it? It is only 12:54, so we'll see where the day takes us. I got this really cute white satin headband from ASOS, and I'm really digging like the headband look, especially since I don't like hair like all over my face except for bangs. This is like a great way to kind of like pull your hair back without like using a hair tie. Oh my gosh, you're so good. Wow, so good. Almost got it. I can't get those ones. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish.
Help him, Matthew.
You.
Matthew, help him.
Yay!